Hey everyone, Alex here with the Bandsaw Life. Now, those of you that have taken classes from me know that when it comes to clamping things up, my favorite clamp is the pipe clamp. Now, I prefer the 1/2 inch because they're lighter, easier to use. If I get over 4 feet, well, then you might want to go to a 3/4 so that it gives it a little bit more rigidity. But the reason that I like a pipe clamp is number one, has feet to set on the table so that you can get underneath whatever you're trying to clamp. And it also has a handle so that it's a lot easier to tighten and loosen this. I'm finding out that as I get older, that's pretty darn handy. But one of the best things about a pipe clamp is how easy they are to take care of and clean, especially if you get the right pipe. Now, when it comes to the pipe, some people prefer the black pipe. I like the galvanized pipe. It stays cleaner. It doesn't leave the black marks on the material. And when you buy pipe, you can buy them in individual lengths, which makes them even more expensive. But if you just buy a 20-foot pipe at any electrical house, it has threads on both ends. Cut it to whatever length you want. I've found that just a simple Harbor Freight pipe threader works just fine. And then that way your pipes end up being $4 or $5, not $25 and $30 for each individual clamp. So the best thing about pipe clamps is how easy they are to clean. With standard clamps, you have these little ridges in there. It kind of helps lock those clamps into place. With a pipe clamp, you don't have that. So when I'm done with my pipe clamp, and remember, I do hundreds of classes with hundreds of students, and they get a lot of glue on these things. The easiest thing I can tell you, get yourself a simple paint scraper, scrape that glue off when it's dry. Basically, you've got yourself a brand new pipe, and it's easy to store and put away. I just use a simple 2x4 to clamp my clamps too. Now, I will tell you, one of the common mistakes a lot of people make is they feel as though they have to squeeze this in order to move the piece. Nice thing about a pipe clamp, just simply slide the whole piece in, it locks into place. And again, I love the handle and the way that they tighten. I hope this helps somebody out there that's looking at some different clamps, because let's be honest, you can never have too many clamps. Thanks, everyone. Hey, everyone. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Bandsaw Life content.